Hey there, Sagittarius. December is here, and the universe is calling you to find the harmony, adapt to the change, and step into the personal growth. This is your month to shine, and I'm here to guide you through what's coming your way. So let's dive into it. So this particular prediction is based on the planetary alignment and the energy being checked through tarot. So December month seems like that first you have to focus more on the harmony in the relationship. Let's start with the relationship Sagittarius. Recent conflict or the distance with a loved one might have left you feeling a little off balance. But good news, this month there is a golden opportunity to restore the peace. The key is to express your feelings openly, honestly, share your desire for the harmony. It's a small step that could lead to a big breakthrough. Once that balance is restored, commit to nurturing it moving forward. After all, strong relationship fuel your adventurous spirit. Next, it seems like December month is a month of adapting to a change in a routine. Now, around mid December, a shake-up in your routine might throw you off for a moment, but Sagittarius, you are pro at turning challenges into the opportunity. Instead of resisting, embrace this change with an open mind. Look for the silver lining. Maybe this new rhythm help you uncover a better way of doing things. Who knows, you might even find a joy in the unexpected. Third, what seems here is that this is a month where you are going to achieve some long awaited approval. By the end of the month, the stars are aligned. By the end of the month, stars are aligning for a victory you have been waiting for, whether it's a long anticipated plan, a home project, or something else close to your heart. You are likely to get the green light here. Take this win as a confidence booster. Use it as a fuel to tackle something new, even if it feels a little risky. You have got the momentum, Sagittarius, so go for it and enjoy the moment. What is the key takeaway for the December month? First, let's this month, Sagittarius, remember, repair and nurture the relationship by seeking harmony. Adopt to the disruption with grace. You might find hidden opportunities. Take the bold step forward, fueled by your recent success. December is a time for the renewal, growth, fresh possibility. By embracing these changes, you will end year stronger and more inspired than ever. Thanks for watching, Sagittarius. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zodiac insight. Thank you and have a great day ahead.